Calibrating controller drift in Valorant can enhance your gaming experience by ensuring accurate aim and movement. Follow these steps to effectively calibrate your controller. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in Valorant. Look for the controls tab and ensure that your controller is recognized and configured correctly. Adjust sensitivity settings if necessary. Step 2. Test for drift. Before calibration, test your controller for drift. Move your analog sticks in different directions and observe if the crosshair moves without input. If it does, you have controller drift. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In the settings menu, find the dead zone option. Increase the dead zone value slightly to compensate for the drift. This adjustment can help prevent unintended movements when the stick is at rest. Step 4. Fine-tune sensitivity. After adjusting the dead zone, revisit the sensitivity settings. Test different sensitivity levels to find what feels comfortable and responsive. Make small adjustments and test in-game to see how it affects your aim. Step 5. Save and test. Once you are satisfied with the dead zone and sensitivity settings, save your changes. Play a few matches to test the calibration. If you still experience drift, consider revisiting the dead zone settings for further adjustments. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate your controller and improve your gameplay in Valorant. Enjoy your gaming experience.